You are going to love the 2021 Encore GX. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder, 1.2-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, tire pressure monitoring system, luggage rack, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find keyless start, cruise control, trip odometer, console, floor mats. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. Come see the car for yourself.